Hello guys, here's a question for you. An activist on hunger strike for the past 5 days. She has consumed only water. What is the source of blood glucose in her? The options are glycogenolysis, gluconeogenesis, fatty acid oxidation or ketone body synthesis, and the muscle proteolysis. So let's see how can we come to the answer. For that, we have to know the fed-fast cycle. In fed-fast cycle, we can see that after 0 to 4 hours after the consumption of food, the patient is said to be in well-fed state. At the well-fed state, the blood glucose is from the dietary glucose itself. After 4 to 16 hours of consumption of food, patient is said to be in early fast. At that time, source of blood glucose is glycogenolysis in the liver. From 14 to 48 hours, the patient is said to be in fasting stage. At that time, gluconeogenesis occurs in the liver and in the kidney. And the energy for the gluconeogenesis comes from triacylglycerol, which forms glycerol and fatty acid. This fatty acid on oxidation gives ATP, and this ATP is used for gluconeogenesis. So from 2nd day to 5th day, the patient is in starvation. At that time, fatty acid oxidation occurs and ketone body synthesis occurs in the liver mitochondria. So this ketone body produced is not used by the liver and the RBCs. It is produced in the liver mitochondria, but it is not used by the liver and the RBC. Because of the thiophorease enzyme deficiency, liver is not using this ketone body. And at that time, if we do Rodera test of the urine, we will get it positive because of the ketone bodies. So more than 5 days of fasting, the source of blood glucose is muscle proteolysis. So here comes the answer for our question. In our question, it said that the patient is on hunger strike for past 5 days. So up to 5 days, the source of blood glucose is fatty acid oxidation or ketone body synthesis. So the answer is C.